Hello everybody and welcome to the booth of Premium Mounting Technologies. So we have three different things what I'm going to show to you. We have the new Evolution system, flat roof mounting system on roofs up to a roof inclination of 5 degrees. We have here our huge carport system for large scales, and afterwards we step over to the flat roof mounting system, which goes up to 30 degrees roof inclination, also without roof penetration, called Flatdirect. Here you can see our new Evolution system, engineered in Germany, made for all types of roof. It's very fast to install. You can install up to 10 kilowatt peak per man per hour. Very fast. You get a 10-year guarantee and 10-year endurance of on the system. And what we have here on the new system, there are some new technical parts. For example, on the current system you have a cube here inside. On that system we change it to 2 towers, they are called. The gap is getting a bit bigger here, so you need less ballast for the system. What is also new, like for the cable, we have here some edge noses, so you can fix the cables much easier on the system. The Evolution is built for every kind of 60 cell models, and also the 72 is you can use it on the system. We already built like 200 megawatt of this system in the last few years, all around Europe. Do you have some questions on it?
It looks pretty light. What material is it made from, and what will be the cost in comparison to your competitors?
Okay.
It looks like stainless steel or something.
It's made of aluminium, all of it. And yeah, the main part is of aluminium, and we have a high-tech protection mat under it. This part is made of polyethylene foam, and that's the two materials which are used. The polyethylene foam, you can use it on any surface, on any roof. What do you think costs the system? What do you think?
Because most people are using aluminum alloys, not pure aluminum, and so this is pretty expensive maybe. I don't know, I can't guess.
Just guess. Say a price per module.
I have no idea.
Don't? Any idea? I don't know. So we start here with 15 euros per model. So it's quite cheap. Seriously. For the east-west face system, for the south system, it's starting with 23. That's it.
This size of module?
This size of model, exactly. Yeah, that's working. That's cheap. That's cheap. But that's how the market is working. Others have also good prices, so we all need good prices on the market, yeah. So let's step over to our carport system. What we have here now is our single carport system. You can park under it with 1 row of cars. We have also a double carport. There you can park with 2 rows of cars. All carports are made customized. Means like you have a certain surface, a certain area where you want to install the carports, and we do the carport exact on that land you need. The carport is, you can style it very individually, like you see it here. For example, we have the yellow, the green concrete, the black steel, and also the black trapezoidal roof. It's very easy to assemble it. There are only a few parts. We have done already projects nearly all around the world. For example, last year we did a project in Senegal and also one project in Chile, and we have also a lot of carports here in Germany, in Bavaria. When you have a look on the right screen here, on this side, you can see how the carports are mounted. There's a driven pile foundation on every green concrete. And there's also, normally you put on a trapezoidal roof models on it. You can also use the carports without any models. It's a fixed roof, yeah. We can still have a look a bit on the video, and you also have already some questions on it. Anybody? Yes? What is the price? We start here with 299 euro per kilowatt peak, excluding assembling, statics. There's some additional costs which are coming on it. Normally in Germany you can sell the carport turnkey around 1,150, 1,200 euro. That's how it is working here. Not like for kilowatt peak. We start projects from the beginning of a size of minimum 100 parking spaces. That's important. If not, you have a lot of other costs which raise the price of one single carport. So you get good price at the beginning of 100 parking spaces. Okay, if you don't have any further questions, just go over to the to the Flatdirect system. Yeah, also on the flat roof mounting system, you can it's just put on the roof. There's no penetration required. It's also mounted very easy. You have to ballast it. You see some stones at the end of the system, and you lay just the ground profile on the roof. It's easy working. The only way what you have to do is like you have to fix it, or like you see it here with the ridge roof connector, fix both sides, fix the sides to each other to have the same amount of ballast on each side so they can hold each other. What's also possible, many roofs have like a window on top. Especially in Germany, there is a lot of roofs which has a window here, so you can use really good these ridge roof connectors. That's the possibility, just to use kind of these fixing points here. You just screw them through the roof, put that fixing point there, and put some foil or bitumen on it, and that's working probably very good. Another way to fix it, if you don't have the second part of the roof, or you don't want to put modules on it, you just can also do it with, on the one side with models, on the other side only with ballast. That's also a possibility. Or just fix it here like on the wall. That's also working. What is important on that system? Make sure when you're looking on such a roof and want to install a flat roof, the Flatdirect system, you need a gap between every row of models. The gap has to be minimum 16 centimeters, just in case of aerodynamicals. If the wind is coming under it, it has to go somewhere out, and because of that you need it. Questions? Any more? Price, for example? No? Yeah? We are starting around 21 euro per model. It's around 75 per kilowatt peak.
Even install on rounded roofs, is that correct? Is that special technology you use, or is that?
No, that's not special technology. It's exactly that system here. The ground profile is a bit flexible, so if you put it there, it's adapting to exactly to how the roof is. So that's working exactly with the Flatdirect system.
Hi, I have a question regarding this material here. Yes. For how long? I mean, yes,
that's for years resistant. That's a polyethylene foam that works perfectly with every kind of roof. It's exactly the same like on the Evolution system. It's for calculated for 50 years.
50 years. Heat, snow.
No problem. No problem.
And it's guaranteed. For how many years is guaranteed?
Like we have it on the whole system for 10 years. It's guaranteed. Okay. Thanks a lot for visiting us.